very final thing that just... Oh my god, this fucking triggered me. I was just... On a deep-seated level, I couldn't get over this. This really fucking pissed me off. So brace yourselves. This was a tweet from Bernie Sanders' account. And I know that Bernie Sanders doesn't do the tweeting himself, but it's his name. It's verified. He chooses the people to go and tweet in his name. He can take some fucking responsibility for what they say because he has signed off on it. President Trump, you made a big mistake. By trying to divide us up by race, religion, gender and nationality, you actually brought us closer with 300,000 retweets. Fuck you! Fuck you, Bernie! Fuck off! Trump did not try to divide you by race, religion and gender and nationality. You are the cunts dividing people by race and gender. It's a fucking women's march, Bernie! Fuck! God, this is I'm totally triggered by this, I swear, right? Holy fucking shit, this is just an abject rewriting of history. Just complete rewriting of the entire narrative, and this is what will go down in history. This is what people will remember. Bernie Sanders suggested that Donald Trump was trying to divide everyone, but it didn't work. This will be the thing that gets into the fucking history books. 300,000 retweets. Fuck you. Just fuck off. The left does nothing but identity politics. I mean, do you not even remember when you came out in opposition to identity politics? That is the process of dividing people up by race, religion, gender and nationality. Fuck you, Bernie. Fucking hell. What's this, Bernie? Sanders slams identity politics as Democrats figure out their future. What does that mean, Bernie? It's not good enough for someone to say, I'm a woman, vote for me. No, that's not good enough. What we need is a woman who has the guts to stand up to Wall Street, to the insurance companies. You mean to stand up for the issues, Bernie? Not just on the identity of being a woman. The thing you fucking slams, you know it comes from the left. You fucking